Good morning, I'm Tedward, welcome back to the vlog. It's Thursday for you, but for me, it's the weekend. So we're gonna head up to David's place in New Hampshire in Eddie's Type R. We've got some fun going on, finally getting back on the boat, but more importantly, David is starting a new business, Rennscot, and he just got a space in Cambridge. All his machines are still up in New Hampshire, which means we need to put literally a ton of metal on his trailer and haul it down to Cambridge. So, although we are gonna have a lot of fun out on the water in New Hampshire, we're also gonna do some serious manual labor. Let's get this weekend started.
All right, now it's officially summer. Let's get this boat in the water. This is your first time?
Yeah.
Let's see what happens.
Still a virgin.
Let's pop that cherry, baby.
Let's do it.
Woo! Oh, this boy just stood up, son.
Yeah, I
Not bad for your third time, Spunk.
All right. Let me try it again.
I was just telling David not to cry or something if you can't throw me off. I mean, you can cry if you want, it's okay.
It's on.
On like Donkey Kong.
You fell off.
You were in the air quite a bit.
Yeah, that was impressive. I'm impressed.
Yeah, I know, I can't go again.
In other news, David has a new shop local to Boston, so we don't have to come all the way up to New Hampshire to do work on the cars anymore. And I'm gonna have more information about David's new business, because actually you might be interested in that. That being said, we've got to move a ton of tools from here down to Boston, and luckily we've got 3 people, 3 cars. Well, you guys remember what happened to the Cayman on the track. She's back together. We've got a new radiator. Let me show you the radiator that got punctured. So this is like a factory R radiator that he used to just add extra cooling, and obviously that is where the tow hook went straight through and pissed all over the track. If you remember too, the car was misfiring, and the reason for that was because the coil packs had cracked open and they were letting water in. So the reason why the car actually ran on the track that day was because the heat allowed the water to evaporate, or at least burn off, of those coil packs, and then they were fine. But there's new coil packs in it now that are actually watertight. We gotta try to get this lathe onto the trailer. It's really heavy.
We'll start fresh again and going out in style. Naysayers always want the good to fail. It's easier to bring out everyone. Naysayers always want the good to fail. They'd rather no one else have any fun. We stood never lied and waited in the wings.
The car lift and the lathe are all on the trailer. David's very confident, so he always knows things are gonna fit. We're all not very confident. We all say, there's no way.
I did the mental guesstimation.
He's always right, too. We got a convoy a little bit. David's gonna be driving the truck with the trailer with basically an entire shop's worth of tools and stuff. I've got to take the Cayman, and it should be fine, but it's acting a little funny. I'll show you this in a minute. Just kidding, Cayman won't start. Taking the truck. Let's bring this entire shop down to Boston. Welcome to the new Rennscot headquarters. This is where David's business is gonna start and flourish. It's been an amazing weekend, and now we're moving David into the new Rennscot headquarters. So thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Respect the drive, and I'll see you in the next one.